Wisconsin's field hospital opened to relieve crowding and treat low-level patients who still need hospital care, but it hasn't been easy to get patients to go.
Yeah, that field hospital can treat up to 530 people at a time. There are just 5 patients there today. Naomi Cole spoke with the first patient from SSM Health in Madison who ended up in the field hospital himself.
All of a sudden, I couldn't dial the phone. I was doing crazy things.
When he tested positive for COVID-19,
I still don't know for sure how I even got it.
all Sherman Martin knew was that at 70 years old and with a large family to enjoy, he had to get better.
And I says, I'm not ready to leave yet. I got too many things to do, travel.
So when he arrived at St. Mary's Hospital weeks ago, he told the doctors, do whatever you got to do.
And I want to stand up, and that I fell backwards. So they said they called 911 right there and then.
He came in, he was working pretty hard to breathe, and his oxygen levels were low.
After about 5 days, Sherman was stable enough for another conversation.
It definitely catches folks off guard.
Emergency room doctor Kyle Martin says the conversation about the option of transferring to the field hospital near Milwaukee to recover can be tricky.
It was just such a novel experience.
With Sherman, that was a good thing.
He's such a wonderful man. I think he was excited to explore something new and different.
At first, doctors say it was hard to get patients in, since the state has loosened some restrictions like removing the age cap and expanding hours for when patients can arrive. That helped, doctors said. Still, it's only equipped for a limited range of care and has housed just 156 patients, according to the latest update from the Department of Health Services.
There's a fairly narrow band of patient in terms of, sick enough that they need to stay in the hospital, but not so sick that they really require a significant level of care.
Sherman, meanwhile, can now say he knows one thing for sure.
How wonderful everybody was, from the ambulance crew, the fire truck crew, to St. Mary's, those people up there, and the people down in Milwaukee, how they took care of me and what they did for me.
Naomi Cole's reporting.